how to reverse heart disease and clean arteries to avoid heart attack and bypass surgery on or angioplasty. It is very interesting to see that even someone might receive a Nobel Prize, he can still be treated like someone who doesn't know what he's talking about. To be accurate, it's 2 Nobel Prizes, and this excellent scientist analyzed heart disease and created unified theory and therapy for heart disease. And his name is Linus Pauling. Causes of heart attack can be explained really simply. If you imagine that all organs in our body needs energy and get it through our bloodstream, it is easy to understand what happens when this stream stops. This organ stops functioning. Now heart has oxygen and nutrients delivered to it. He also needs energy to function, and sometimes part of this stream can be blocked by plaque, where consequently part of the heart gets affected too. Now, most widespread common solution to those problems is angioplasty or bypass surgery, but there might be some other things we can do along with those solutions before and after they happen. Linus Pauling concluded that some substances will prevent and might even dissolve existing plaque built inside our arteries. Another startling point in this revelation is that these substances are generally not harmful and are present within our everyday diet. You probably have never heard about this in the papers or on television, but there it is. Patients who use this therapy may escape angioplasty and heart surgery, and cholesterol is not the biggest cause, even though you've probably heard it to be so. Even fast recovery is what can happen, and that's all without massive harmful side effects, even though you may not believe what you hear. The results of this research indicate that the plaque or blockage creates around injuries in the arteries. Now, injuries are formed mostly on places where physical stress on the artery is present, and this is where we come to the claim that certain substances called lipoprotein A inhibitors will prevent and might even dissolve plaque that is present in the arteries. Considering the fact that the plaque is mostly made of this LPA cholesterol, and considering that this substance can and will attract even more LPA, solution has been searched in this manner. Next, there are some other substances that can be attracted to this sticky stuff and dissolve them. Well, what are they? It is called lysine. So this substance, with the help of vitamin C, is exactly what can save the artery. This is just basics of this research, but there is much more to it. This explanation is just simplified to be easily understandable, but if you need information on reversing heart disease and cleaning arteries to avoid heart attack and bypass surgery or angioplasty, that might be solution. Thank you.